ISO/IEC 42001 2023. Is your organization ready for AI governance? Part 3. In previous videos 1 and video 2, we have discussed part 1 and part 2. This is video for part 3, implementing ISO/IEC 42001 2023 and certification journey. Hello everyone, welcome to the final part of our special series on ISO/IEC 42001 2023 Artificial Intelligence Management Systems AIMS, presented by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. In part 1, we explored the rapid growth of artificial intelligence and the risks associated with AI adoption. In part 2, we discussed AI governance, responsible AI principles, and the requirements of ISO/IEC 42001. Today in part 3, we will answer the most practical questions organizations ask. How do we implement ISO/IEC 42001? What documented information is required? What is the certification process? How can organizations integrate AI governance with existing ISO management systems? And how can URGS International support your AI governance journey? Let us begin. Why implement ISO/IEC 42001? Many organizations are already using AI. Some use AI-powered customer service. Others use predictive maintenance. Some use machine learning for quality inspection. Many employees use ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, or generative AI for daily work. However, simply using AI is not enough. Organizations must demonstrate that AI is being managed responsibly. Implementation of ISO/IEC 42001 helps organizations establish a structured management system that reduces risks while maximizing business value. Step-by-step implementation roadmap. Successful implementation generally follows these stages. Step 1. Understand organizational context. Means determine where AI is used, business objectives, interested parties, regulatory requirements, internal and external issues. This forms the foundation of the artificial intelligence management system. Step 2. Leadership commitment. Top management plays a critical role. Leadership should establish an AI policy, allocate resources, define responsibilities, promote ethical AI, ensure control improvement. Without leadership commitment, no management system can succeed. Step 3. Define AI scope. Organizations should clearly identify which AI systems are included, which departments are covered, which businesses processes use AI. Examples include customer service, quality inspection, predictive maintenance, HR recruitment, finance, manufacturing, research and development, supply chain, sales and marketing. Step 4. AI risk assessment. One of the most important activities is identifying AI related risks. Typical risks include data privacy, cyber security, bias, model failure, hallucinations, unauthorized access, poor data quality, lack of transparency, intellectual property risks, legal compliance. Every identified risk should be evaluated using an appropriate risk assessment methodology. Step 5. Establish operational controls. After identifying risks, organizations implement controls. Examples include human review, data validation, access controls, model monitoring, approval workflows, security testing, output verification, version control, backup procedures, incident response. These controls reduce business risk while increasing confidence in AI systems. The next is documented information. ISO/IEC 42001 requires organizations to maintain documented information supporting the effectiveness of the AI management system. Typical documents include AI policy, AI objectives, scope of AIMS, AI risk assessment, AI risk treatment plan, roles and responsibilities, AI inventory, data governance procedure, AI lifecycle procedure, AI development procedure, AI acquisition procedure, AI change management procedure, incident management procedure, AI monitoring procedure, internal audit procedure, management review procedure, corrective action procedure, competency records, training records, risk register, performance monitoring records, internal audit reports, management review minutes, corrective action reports. Organizations may also maintain additional procedures based on their business complexity. AI lifecycle management. ISO/IEC 42001 encourages organizations to manage AI throughout its life cycle. This includes planning, design, development, testing, validation, deployment, operation, monitoring, improvement, retirement. Each phase should include documented controls to ensure reliability and accountability. Competence and awareness. Employees using AI should understand responsible AI, ethical principles, information security, privacy, cyber security, prompt engineering, data handling, AI limitations. Organizations should establish regular awareness and competency programs. People remain one of the most important controls in AI governance. Internal audits. Internal audits verify whether the AI management system is functioning effectively. Internal auditors evaluate compliance with ISO/IEC 42001, implementation of procedures, AI risks, operational controls, documentation, performance monitoring, corrective actions. Audit findings provide opportunities for control improvement. Management review. Top management should periodically review the effectiveness of the artificial intelligence management system. Topics include audit results, risk status, performance indicators, stakeholders' feedback, regulatory updates, resource requirements, improvement opportunities. Management review ensures leadership remains actively involved in AI governance. Control improvement. Artificial intelligence changes rapidly. Models evolve, technology advances, regulations change, business objective change. ISO/IEC 42001 therefore requires control improvement. Organizations should review risks, improve controls, monitor AI performance, address incidents, implement corrective actions, enhance employee competence. Control improvement keeps AI governance effective over time. Certification process. Many organizations ask what is the certification process. A typical journey includes stage 1 gap assessment. Evaluate existing AI practices against ISO/IEC 42001 requirements. Stage 2 system development. Develop policies, procedures, documented information, and operational controls. Stage 3 implementation. Deploy the artificial intelligence management system across relevant functions. Stage 4 internal audit. Verify implementation effectiveness. Stage 5 management review. Top management evaluates overall system performance. Stage 6 certification audit. An accredited certification body conducts the external audit. Upon successful completion, the organization receives ISO/IEC 42001 certification. Now, integration with other ISO standards. One of the biggest strengths of ISO/IEC 42001 is its compatibility with other ISO management systems. It integrates seamlessly with ISO 9001 quality management, ISO 40001 environmental management, ISO 45001 occupational health and safety, ISO/IEC 27001 information security, ISO/IEC 27701 privacy information management, ISO 31000 risk management. Organizations with existing ISO certifications can implement AI governance efficiently using an integrated management system. How URGS supports your organization? At URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, we help organizations build robust AI governance frameworks aligned with ISO/IEC 42001. Our services include ISO/IEC 42001 awareness training, lead auditor training, gap assessment, AI risk assessment, documentation development, implementation consulting, internal audit, management review support, pre-certification assessment, certification coordination, integrated management system consulting. Our experienced consultants support organizations across manufacturing, automotive, IT, healthcare, banking, logistics, education, government, and other sectors. Whether your organization is just beginning its AI journey or already deploying advanced AI technologies, URGS can help you establish a structured, internationally recognized artificial intelligence management system. At last, final message. Artificial intelligence is transforming the world at an unprecedented pace, but innovation without governance creates uncertainty. Organizations that combine innovation with responsibility will become tomorrow's market leaders. ISO/IEC 42001 is not just another management system standard, it is a strategic framework that enables organizations to build trust, reduce risk, demonstrate compliance, protect reputation, improve decision making, support responsible innovation, create sustainable business growth. The future belongs to organizations that manage artificial intelligence responsibly. The journey starts today. So thank you. at last. Thank you for joining us throughout this three-part series on ISO/IEC 42001 2023 Artificial Intelligence Management System AIMS. If you found this series valuable, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more expert content on ISO standards, AI governance, information security, quality management, risk management and global compliance. For consulting, implementation, training, internal audits and certification support, please contact us URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +91 73 5945 8455. Empower responsible AI, build trust, achieve global compliance with URGS. Thank you for watching and we look forward to supporting your organization's AI governance journey. Thank you.